First one under time. I'm happy about that. Next one is RobArt with Harold from Austria.
Good afternoon. My name is Harold Ate, and today I'm going to show you how we enable the vision of a robot in every home. So you might wonder, why do I have to enable this vision? There are products out there already, right? Think iRobot Roomba. Why hasn't this market taken off? Well, the simple answer is they are lacking intelligence. The products that are out there haven't got enough intelligence. Let's have a look at a simple example, right? You see a room map here. You see this lower right corner in red. You've got a precious vase you want to protect. There's the green robot. Think of an iRobot Roomba. And you as a customer would like to keep it away from there. You want to protect your vase, right? That's something a customer expects from a domestic robot. Currently, the truth is there's no product out there that can do this, right? So fundamentally, there's a lack of intelligence. And there are lots of other examples, too, that show that for customer value in domestic robotics, you need robotic intelligence. There's nothing like that on the market. That's where we come into the picture. We provide this robotic intelligence, right? So robots with our intelligence, they understand their surroundings. They know where they are. They can communicate with the user, right? And this application, this intelligence is targeted for the mass market. So we work together with big companies. We enable them to build a robot around this intelligence. That's what we mean by we enable a robot in every home. Where are we at? We've got a proof of concept prototype that we demoed to customers that led us to a negotiation with 3 major European companies. We have funding. What we're looking for is contacts in the Americas and Asia to expand our horizon. So if you're interested in how our technology enables a huge market, and you're willing to share your contacts, I'd be happy to talk with you in the pause. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Roland. Thank you, Harold. Up next, we have Roland, also joining us from Austria. A company named iEXPO, presenting a new product.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Roland. Imagine young people are hanging. Excuse me. Imagine young people hanging out with friends. It's boring. They already checked all the usual places. There is no fun. They checked it out on Google, Facebook, Foursquare. They were not able to find places where it's going on. Would be great to have a radar showing places which are crowded now. We've got the solution. Locandi is a self-generating party and event locator which can be used on mobile phones and PC. What's the difference between social mapping services and Locandi? Social mapping services provide a platform for chatting with selected friends and show their position in the map. Locandi is a self-generating device showing or indicating places where people with the same interest are gathered. What makes it special? The locations which are crowded are detected and displayed automatically. It is a live information, neither historic nor future data are displayed. There is no subjective comments which are shown. It shows only places of people.
Thank you, Roland. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have today. We'll have more time in the demo area.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Roland. Up next, we have KaleidoFlex with Aron from KaleidoFlex, joining us from Canada. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aron. I'm from Canada. I'm the CEO and co-founder of a company called KaleidoFlex. KaleidoFlex is enabling color solutions for electronic paper displays. We started as a team in Kodak. We now have full access to the Kodak technology and an exclusive supply agreement for consumables that they're developing for us. We'll generate annual revenue in excess of $100 million by 2015, and we're currently seeking a seed investment which will enable us to expand our product development and market development work towards prototypes for our first customers. So I'm sure you know that e-paper is a big success already with millions of devices out there. The one thing that these devices are missing is color. They're all black and white, they need color, they need to move to plastic, and this is what KaleidoFlex is enabling. We have the only solution that can enable that. The solution is based on laser imaging, a process that is used extensively in the printing industry. We've applied it to the e-paper market. We've proven the feasibility. We've demonstrated it to customers, and it works. We can make a flexible color e-paper display. Leading market companies, leaders in the market, believe in our technology and are working with us. E-Ink Holdings, the one that makes all the displays for the Amazon Kindle, the Sony Reader, all the devices out there, they're working with us. We have a joint development agreement with them, and we're about to sell them a prototype system. Their competitors are also interested, so we can work with all of them. There is basically no competition. We have the only solution that can solve all the issues. And all our competitors are struggling to solve the issues that are associated with working on plastic. So in summary, we offer a unique investment opportunity, proven technology, a solution to an urgent market need in a fast-growing market, and we're seeking a seed investment to help us grow this faster. Thank you.
Appreciate that. Our next company is NIMTech, joining us from Canada as well. Could the founders of Polar Mobile, iActive, FraudTech, and ePrensa find me at the AV table immediately? Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jason Cotter, the entrepreneur behind NIMTech, an award-winning clean technology company based in Canada. Sonic Gauge is our patent-pending, non-invasive, smart measurement technology that can see inside pipes and watch and know exactly what's happening with those substances in real time. Basically, we can do the blind Coke and Pepsi taste test in real time. Our founder, Miroslav Robel, has 15 patents and patent applications in the field of digital signal processing and ultrasonics. Myself, I'm a former technology lawyer and entrepreneur for the last 5 years. We partner with technology leaders in the multivariate statistics space as well as in the process control fields to go to market. So here's the problem. Most manufacturers suffer from a lack of real-time measurements that don't provide them accurate inline knowledge, and that has drastic downstream consequences and can impede critical course corrections. Our Sonic Gauge advantage is that we see inside those pipes to do this. We just clamp an ultrasonic sensor onto the outside of the pipe. We know exactly what's happening in real time. Our Sonic Gauge system provides data that's impossible to get right now, which means we can charge manufacturers for extracting this data, saving them energy, resources, and money, most importantly, and no one else can do this. There are multiple global markets and global industry applications that have visibility gaps that will need our Sonic Gauge technology to help them be more efficient and more clean tech. In terms of a go-to-market strategy, we're working with industry leaders to demonstrate our technology benefits. Most importantly, they're paying for our development and demonstrations. For example, we're working with the largest bitumen producer in Alberta, Canada, called Syncrude, and the largest ethanol producer in Canada, Greenfield Ethanol. So what's this worth? The tech development agreement with Syncrude is $1 million in demonstration fees and a potential $10 to $20 million deal when we prove that it works for their substances. And that's just one company in the global oil and gas sector. So in terms of an investment opportunity, we're looking for a couple $1 million to expedite the opportunities that we have in front of us.
Thank you,
and go to
Jason.
market.
I think we'll take additional clarifications offline. Perfect. Up next, we have Baseband Technologies, represented by Francis Yuan. Please welcome Baseband Technologies.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Francis Yuan. I'm the CEO of Baseband Technologies. Our company has created a world's fastest GPS technology. We can now capture a GPS position within 2,000 of a second. Now, 2,000 of a second is really, really fast. If you can imagine, when you blink your eye, we can do it 200 times faster. So why do we care? Everybody has seen problems like this. We turn on our GPS receiver, whether it's going to be an iPhone or a cellular phone or a a navigation device inside your car. You wait for a long, long time to get a position. Now, with a lot of application, we really don't want that. We want to have instantaneous GPS position. So here is the features of what our receiver technology can do. Number one, we can capture GPS position within 2,000 of a second. That's really, really very fast. Now, because we only turn on our GPS receiver for 2,000 of a second, we basically do not use any power at all. Imagine that feature in any consumer electronics that you are designing. And finally, the design using our receiver technology is extremely simple comparing to the current GPS chipset technologies. What we have done is to create a receiver technology that is especially useful for low-power electronic devices. Our first market of entry is going to be the digital camera market. Now, there are many other applications, including sports, mobile phone, and unmanned vehicle, that demands very, very low-power applications. With those kind of applications, this would be a very, very interesting technology to use. Once again, my name is Francis, and what we do is that we provide instant positioning for anything that moves. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Up next, we have CardioComm Solutions, joining us from Canada as well. Please welcome CardioComm Solutions.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Etienne Grima. I represent CardioComm Solutions. CardioComm is a medical device management software producer. We specialize in ECG management and collecting associated patient information. We're the only device-agnostic solution that's offered in the medical field. We have a 20-country footprint, having sold into hospitals, medical call centers, and physician offices. And we have large international clients who help us stay in this multi-billion-dollar market space. We're looking for a funding opportunity for us to provide the consumer market now with FDA-approved compliant biomonitoring opportunities, an extension into home monitoring or mobile health. The intention is that we'll take CardioComm's accredited, FDA-compliant, ISO-certified, HIPAA-compliant solutions in a 510K wrapper around the devices that may not yet be FDA-compliant and put them into a credentialed system. The intention is to provide an agnostic tool front end with a CardioComm Solutions regulated back end that will allow patients or consumers to collect their personal health records on an internet-based or a SaaS-based application. We believe the opportunity can be represented with three simple verticals that we have. These verticals can be quite rewarding, and they can be replicated across different countries and along different consumer channels. We believe that this will allow those participating to ride the new era of healthcare technologies. I'd like to thank you for this opportunity to talk, and if anyone has any questions after the presentation, I'd be happy to speak with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.